What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another delicious recipe with Miss Vegan. Today, we're gonna be making this latke burger. And latke is basically fried potatoes and it's served during Hanukkah. So we're gonna make a traditional latke, turn it into a bun, and serve it in a burger. Let's get started. And there you have our latke burgers. Super easy to make, right? Now, my favorite part, as you know, the eating. Let's give it a try. Look at that. Super easy to eat, just like you would a normal hamburger, but instead of the bun, you have fried potatoes. Hello, delicious. Yum, 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 yum. And what's great about the latke burger is you can make it your own. You can add whatever toppings you like and it'll be different every time. And it's perfect because the fried potatoes hold together perfectly. So when you bite into the burger, it doesn't go all over the place, which is 2 thumbs up for a good burger. I'll post a link for the recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.